What's up, beautiful people? So let's go ahead and install this wig by Sensational. This is the Zelena wig in the color 1, jet black. And I'm gonna go in with just my black cap and put this baby on. It doesn't require any makeup. You could just, it melts right into your skin like butter. I believe it's an HD lace is what they said. And it was definitely giving HD lace vibes for real, like, you know? Because, sometimes with transparent laces and stuff, you kind of have to do a little bit of makeup. This one required no makeup. And I did link my previous video where I show how I pluck the hairline. I'll definitely put that in the description box down below. But right now I'm just going ahead and trying to position the wig, going in with my Eben lace spray, which I absolutely love. And if you link or click on the link in my bio, or in the description box, I'll have everything listed that I'm using today, from the spray to the melt band, which I have a melt band or melt lace kit. On my Etsy store, where you can purchase, everything you need to melt your lace on my Etsy store. And then the spray that I use will be in my Amazon store, along with this wig as well, if you're interested in purchasing. But I'm just going in with 2 sprays and using the spatula side of my edge brush, which is part of the kit that I have on my Etsy store, and making sure that's tacky, using cool air, and then I'll go ahead and lay the lace down. I also want to mention, make sure that your hairline is clean. Mine wasn't. I don't know how I forgot, but I did. I won't blame it on lateness. I'll blame it on me rushing, because it was time for bed. But make sure you clean your hairline before doing any type of application. But I'm gonna go ahead and do both sides, and then I'll come back when it's time to cut the lace off. I know I said I'll come back when it's time to cut the lace, but I'm back. And I just want to talk about this part really quickly. I'm going in with my melt band, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is dry. This is going to give you that melt look. Definitely want to go in with your melt band. And again, like I said, that is part of the kit that I have available on my Etsy store. And it is laid, y'all. It is, look, okay? Period. I love it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the ear tabs so that it can fit my head the way I want it to. You can cut your ear tabs off before, after. It is a preference. I'm still trying to play with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my ear tabs. Actually cut too much off on that side, but that's okay. I can fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the other side. I couldn't really see, so I had to come back. I had to leave and come back. Listen, I applaud all y'all that records yourself installing the wig. This is hard, okay? From looking in the mirror, from my tripod, my phone. It was a lot, but I'm glad I got it done because I really wanted to show you guys how I do it. And that's part of my kit as well. That's my gold lace cutting shears, and they are sharp. Look how sharp they are. They're sharp. And that, no snags, just gonna cut right on down, and it's so sharp. I love these shears. And I like to use those too. If like I have like some extra like lace sticking up, just go in with those, and they'll cut all that little lace off. But yeah, see, I was like, nah, this ain't working out. So that is the Tresemme holding spray, the firm holding spray. And I go in for one more check, and I just kind of get that white cast. That helps with that. If this was like a transparent lace, I would add probably a little bit more foundation or powder, then I would go in with the hairspray and then my lace band. But in this case, all I needed was just a little bit of that holding spray to get rid of that little white cast, and then I'll go in again with my melt band to let it dry, and then I'll be back for the last part of this install. Right, so let's see how we looking. Yeah, listen, pressure, okay? Pressure. That lace is pressure. For the price, it's pressure. I love it. I love it. And I'm glad that I didn't over tweeze the hairline. So it looks nice and natural. It looks like my hairline. So I love it. The pressure is getting wasa. That's how I feel like. This is everything to me. So I'm just gonna play with it a little bit. I will have a video up on how I ended up styling it, but right now I'm just kind of just playing with it and everything like that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. And to purchase the wig and the sprays, you can visit my Amazon storefront, and then to purchase those earrings that I have on, those African map hoops, and everything you need to melt your lace with the band and combs and edge brush can be found in my Etsy store. So until next time, peace and God bless.